Oh, this the bathroom.
Baby, we moved in here almost 4 years ago. To be 4 years in September. The pressure has never, like when I wash my hands, and I do that frequently, there's never been pressure out of the faucet. So.
Oh, okay.
There's a person here who's masculine, supposedly. I had him replace I thought it was a matter of replacing the faucet. We went to Home Depot, okay? He made it worse. That thing down there, that white thing in the drain.
Yeah.
He goes, oh, I'm done. It's installed. No, it isn't. So he made it worse, but about 2 weeks ago, it started leaking.
Who did that? Okay.
My mother's partner. No, not mine. I learned there was mold right there. I tried to clean it out, and it's been leaking for at least 2 weeks. So I don't wash my hands. I have to use, sanitizer.
Yeah,
it leaks also, if I can tell you. It leaks outside here if I have it on. And what happens is I forget I have it on and everything. But now it's leaking on the outside of the faucet. Makes no goddamn sense. And then D.R. Horton, the builders. I never had pressure, but at least I had hot water before.
Yeah.
But there's been some interferences, which I already told you so.
That white deal fell further down in here, so I have to open.
And I'm just discussing, and I wanted to get a, hope it doesn't fall on you. I don't know if it's leaking when I turn it on. I don't know how this happened, but it comes out so little, I forget I have it on, and then sometimes it'll be overnight or a couple of hours, and then my whole bathroom's like, leaked or whatever. I have to go wash my mats and everything.
Yeah, I'm trying to find.
I don't even know if I can get rid of that mold. I didn't know that was happening, but I know it wasn't that long ago, maybe a week or week and a half.
What do you think is mold?
Well, in the middle there, you see how it's green? That wasn't there.
It's not mold.
Well, it's from the water.
Oh.
Hanging out and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's all supposed to be clean and so now I have to get that replaced.
I don't see the leak.
Well, I don't know how it's coming out, but I know it's when the water's on. Maybe it has to. See, I didn't duplicate this because I normally have a lot of things in here. I took it all out for you to be able to see everything, but
I appreciate it.
I had to throw a whole lot of things away, and it was black, and I'm just like, oh no. So, and don't get me started on warranty. It's a joke and a fraud.
Yeah.
I told my mother to check the producer number, check their entity number. She's been paying these people for
Are you leaving it like that,
a year and a half.
He just got here, Patrick.
I'm asking Larissa. See how your water is right now? Is that how you're leaving it?
When I forget and I don't know I didn't turn it off, yeah.
See, that's why it's leaking all down to see all the water?
Oh, I know. I told him that. So it's also leaking on the side of the faucet.
It's water coming down now?
They're coming
It
down
wasn't
there.
doing that when I first cut it on.
Oh. No, it takes a while, but not
Yeah,
long.
it was rolling. It slowly rolled back.
It is happening down
Faucet.
here. But how does it get in here, though? That's what I didn't understand.
Because it goes underneath the faucet,
and
down the faucet lines, and drips onto your thing.
Well, thank you, Patrick. I've been asking you and asking what's happening. I need a new faucet? Because that's what I didn't know when you come to initially see what's wrong.
No, I'm going to try to take this.
Let me go grab a towel.
Isn't this awful?
That plunger fell down in there. It was unhooked, I guess. That's the same one. That's it.
I don't know how you forget to turn the water off, but okay.
Yeah, when I initially turned it on, it hadn't made its way back here, so I was under there looking for a leak.
Well, I would have thought there'd be a seal up underneath there to stop that.
Yeah,
but,
some putty.
I guess I'm just too old-fashioned.
Yeah, they supposed to have put some putty when they set it.
Right.
They didn't.
But as long as she gets good pressure underneath there.
Yeah, that's it. She's not gonna be splashing around, so it shouldn't.
Yeah.
It should stop. Oh man, I forgot to grab my pick. Let me take it out to the truck.
And I'm sorry they dragged you out here.
You
But
apologize?
she got tired of dealing with the warranty people, which I understand.
Yeah.
She said, I'm going to find his name, you watch.
You ain't gotta apologize, man. This is what I do.
I know, but I'll bet you'd rather be at home with your family right now having dinner, huh?
Nah. I mean, I'm not saying that I wouldn't be, but trying to get ahead in life. That's what I'm trying to do. Actually. That's missing.
Yeah,
Oh.
where's the piece that's missing?
It was right here. Because it was bothering me. Let's see if it's here. Only part.
Oh, that's it. Let me see. This is who'd you have installed this faucet?
Patrick.
Oh.
This person here
This
told me that
you
everything
put-
was fine.
You put this pop-up. I've never seen one that was magnetic.
Oh, is it magnetic? Well, we asked them.
Yes.
We knew that it had to be standard. We wanted it to, get colder, but
Yeah, that's.
I didn't know it was
that's my
magnetic.
first time I've ever seen one that's magnetic. It just sits down in there.
oh, I see it.
I
I
was.
wanted to get a gold one, but next
It
time.
was kind of a little learning curve there for me. I was like, what the? I've never seen one that was magnetic. See if it works. It's working. It's kind of low.
Oh, Patrick wants.
Kind of really don't give you a sweet. You gotta get it right on that sweet spot for it to seal in. Maybe like that. Maybe that's it.
How do you think you do that, Patrick?
With an aerator?
Those round things look like a string? The one
Yeah.
you did?
Yeah.
And so they're gonna tell me, oh, you need to do this and do that and get a new faucet. We already got a faucet. Oh my God, a month and a week.
That's it.